What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick update but also a quick new price analysis and price prediction on Ethereum. Last time we did this was I think 3 days ago, so quite some time ago. While I do want to analyze all the big cryptos quite a lot in these market circumstances, and that's why I just wanted to update it today. To be honest, I wanted to do it every other day. Should have done it 2 days ago, but yesterday I didn't make too many videos. So today we're back with it. If we take a look at Ethereum, volume is still quite high at 8% of the market cap. It used to be higher at the beginning and earlier last week. Here we had 55 billion, 45 billion. Now we're at 20 billion. So it was way higher. Obviously, then the market was also way more volatile. We had that drop all the way down to 1750. This drop right here. But after that, markets have been pretty stable, at least like after that. I mean, still over the last month or so, it's not stable. So we're taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, but this analysis is mainly based on the daily time frame. I do have to say that. So I always find that the daily time frame is more reliable in these market circumstances. So that's what I checked out mainly, but this analysis is based on the 4-hour, just to be able to predict the specific moves a little bit better. So what we're doing with Ethereum, and what I said in my last video, was that I expected the consolidation between 2200 and ultimately 1700. I thought we would drop down to 1700 then. But we haven't done that yet, and I actually think that's quite far away, because I do expect a drop for crypto in the upcoming days. But I think for Ethereum that this level here, actually around $1,900 is actually able to hold, and I think that's going to happen first. I think within the next few days we'll see a drop down here. I think we'll get a strong support touch off of that, bringing us up to this 2050 level again, maybe some resistance from there. But I also think that like at the end of the week or after touching that level, that we can reach this level here at 2200. And as of right now, and I must say that markets are very hard to predict at this point of time. It's just very unstable and quite unpredictable. At this point of time, I think we'll reject off of that level quite hard. So maybe not all the way down to 1900 in one move, but definitely trending down towards 900 again. So I'm kind of sticking with my consolidation between 2200 and 1700. I do want to add though. I do want to add two things basically. I want to add that it's actually great that we've held on here at 1800, because that means that we still have a buffer zone of about $100 in price, where we can still reach into if we want to hold this level. And that, to me at least, increases the confidence that this is at least going to be the absolute low, this level at least. Maybe not this one, but if we drop down to 1700, that this full level might actually be the absolute lowest level for quite some time, so for multiple weeks at least. And that gives us some chance to figure out what's happening, and that also you know, what happens on top of that level and the kind of moves we will get from that level can also give us some feeling of what kind of market we are about to enter. If we're entering a real bear market, I don't think this 1700 is going to hold. But for example, if we get some very strong touches off of that quite a lot of times, I mean, we might be able to just consolidate down here and argue that the bear market has started in December, and that maybe we could see some like semi long-term gains again. So that's great. Apart from that, I think like 4 days ago, or like when that whole drop just happened, I talked about, and it was in the title of the video as well, I talked about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin in market cap, and I just wanted to talk about that a little bit in this video as well. If we take a look at the market cap right now, you can see that Bitcoin is still more than double the market cap in Ethereum. What you can also see is that since the last video, where we saw that Bitcoin had actually dropped down more than Ethereum, now you can see that Ethereum is actually down 15% over the last week. Bitcoin is down 9%. So still, does that say everything? Not necessarily, because if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that Ethereum is still holding on to those levels we had last year when we had those bearish months. And to be honest, then we dropped down lower than this. And if you compare that with Bitcoin, you can actually see that we are lower than what we touched last year. Last year we touched this 30K level, and right now we are above that level, but we dropped down lower than that. So do I still think Ethereum can flip Bitcoin? I think there is the possibility, and I think Ethereum will definitely get closer to Bitcoin, but it's going to be very hard to really flip Bitcoin. So one of the things that could actually help it is the release of Ethereum 2.0, and if that all goes well and it really works and it starts off well, we get some really nice decentralized apps and additions to Ethereum, that could help with it. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to overtake Bitcoin, but that does definitely increase our chances. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit as well. I think it's very interesting, at least to talk about and to discuss. But yeah, with that, we have reached the end of this video. So if you do have any questions about the video or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.